आईसीसी नॉकआउट ट्रॉफी के क्वार्टर फाइनल मुकाबले में भारत 3 बार के वर्ल्ड चैंपियन ऑस्ट्रेलिया के सामने था। स्टीव वॉ की अनुभवी टीम के मुकाबले सौरव गांगुली के पास एक नौजवान टीम थी। उन पर बदलाव के दौर से गुजर रहे इस भारतीय टीम को एक विनिंग कॉम्बिनेशन में तब्दील करने की जिम्मेदारी थी। आक्रामक क्रिकेट खेलते हुए विपक्षी पर हावी हो जाने वाली ऑस्ट्रेलिया पर ये सौरव की अगुवाई का जवाबी हमला था। दूसरे छोर पर सचिन भी इसी मूड में थे। इस स्ट्रोक पर नियंत्रण नहीं रख पाए थे। इसके बावजूद गेंद हवा में 6 रन के लिए उड़ान भर रही थी। इससे सचिन के इरादों पर कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा।
Down the attack and hammered down the ground. That's a tremendous blow for 6. Not an easy shot to play, but Tendulkar has executed that shot perfectly. Bracken down the track again and smash back. 4, 10 of 2 balls.
सचिन की पॉजिटिव सोच ऑस्ट्रेलिया के लिए लगातार परेशानी का सबब बनती जा रही थी।
That's a long range shot. That's not in Nairobi. That's a fantastic shot. That for me is the best of the lot. Not the chassé down the pitch. I think that was fantastic.
दूसरी ओर अपनी पहचान के मुताबिक ऑफसाइड में सौरव स्ट्रोक खेलने का कोई भी मौका नहीं चूक रहे थे।
Oh, what a shot! Now then, this is not a one-man show. There's a band at the other end as well. Oh dear, what a shot that was. Oof. No, that was the Prince of Calcutta at his best. Then on the boundary, just short of them and 4. But those are the ones that tease and taunt to. Do you go for the catch? Jason Gillespie, the fielder there. Do you give it 100%? Do you go for the catch? Do you say, hang on, if I miss it, it's going to carry for 4, and he got caught in no man's land. Shot. Beautiful shot. This is turning out to be a garland of the most beautiful flowers this morning. Now he just played the second orthodox cricket shot. Now I think this is what India needs.
लेकिन मजबूती लेती सचिन की ये पारी अचानक ठहर गई।
Caught. They are so good in the slips, these Australians. Damien Martin, the catcher. Tendulkar flirting outside the off stump. Just a ball after Ganguly went down to him.
ब्रेटली की गेंद पर स्लिप में डेमियन मार्टिन ने कोई चूक नहीं की। सचिन 37 गेंदों पर 38 रन बनाकर पेविलियन लौट रहे थे। भारत सचिन के झटके से उबर पाता कि सौरभ भी इनके पीछे पीछे आ गए।
Jason Gillespie taking that ball in short around Ganguly's ribs. Just a little bit of glove on it, I'm sure.
महज 15 गेंदों के बीच सचिन और सौरभ के पवेलियन लौटते ही ऑस्ट्रेलिया मुकाबले पर हावी हो गया।
That's picked up in the air, straight to the man in the deep. Third wicket goes down. Shane Lee was the man standing at deep backward square leg, and Rahul Dravid has picked him out. Well, that's a soft dismissal, really. You get a juicy ball on your pads, and it's actually a sucker ball, isn't it? You could play it a touch late to keep it on the floor, but he must have known there's 2 men behind square, and when you flip it
डीप बैकवर्ड स्क्वायर लेग पर द्रविड़ के इस कैच के साथ ही भारतीय बल्लेबाजी की रीढ़ टूटती दिखी।
Now the 3 big men out. India in trouble, 90 for 3.
मुश्किल हालात में ही नए नायक उभरते हैं। यहाँ इस चुनौती को स्वीकार कर रहे थे युवराज सिंह।
But he's a good striker of the ball, and you can see it there. Good start for the young man. Well, that's what you like.
18 साल का ये नौजवान क्रिकेटर पहली बार अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मंच पर बल्लेबाजी करने पहुंचा था।
Oh, that's a tremendous shot. No messing around there. Short and hammered away. The 100 coming up point here. Well, I don't think Ian Harvey is quick enough to be bouncing anybody on this pitch.
Looks an absolute beauty of a field.
दूसरी छोर पर विनोद कांबली भी हावी हो रहे थे।
It's driven and he's found the gap here. He won't get a boundary. And in fact he will. The attempt to pull it back, not good enough. Michael Bevan was the fielder.
Well, I was saying earlier about the quality of the Australian fielding.
Gillespie on his way. That's a lovely shot.
दुनिया के सर्वश्रेष्ठ तेज गेंदबाजी आक्रमण के खिलाफ वो बेहद सहजता के साथ अपनी पारी का आगाज कर रहा था।
Well, this was a proper cricket shot, wasn't it? Let the ball come on, use the pace, nice little turn of the wrist, and the ball shoots.
कांबली की पारी समय से पहले ही थम गई।
Oh dear, that was a simple dismissal again. Soft.
Now this is a body blow for the Indians. Kambli was looking good till this happened. Once again, the foot really not stretching out.
If you get your foot nearer to the ball, you can hit it straighter. If it's away from it a bit, you've got to go a little inside out, and then you're playing with half a bat. And thank you very much, a little fine nick. And that's a cameo little innings that promised more. 130 for 4.
That'll go all the way. That is a top shot.
उधर युवराज के आक्रामक रुख पर कप्तान स्टीव वॉ का अनुभव भी काबू नहीं कर पाया। युवराज के स्ट्रोक उनकी सजाई फील्डिंग से बखूबी राह तलाश रहे थे।
He's got it over the top. That's a tremendous shot. Sometimes when the ball leaves the bat, you get the impression that it's not quite come off the middle. That got the distance, and you can't complain against that.
Well, he'd seen the fielder was in at mid-on, and he picked his spot very well.
What a shot that is! Tell you, you've seen some exotic shots today, but the speed with which he rocked back and found the gap was amazing. 163 for 4. Oh, now then, did you imagine you would see that? It's gone straight into the best lead fielder you will see for many a year, and it has barely kissed his fingers.
Well, you need a little bit of luck. Yuvraj Singh certainly had that. One of the safest pairs of hands.
कहते हैं किस्मत भी बहादुरों का साथ देती है। मगरा की गेंद पर मार्क वॉ के हाथों से छिटका कैच यही संदेश दे रहा था। युवराज को मिला ये जीवन दान भी उनकी एकाग्रता को तोड़ नहीं पाया। मगरा के खिलाफ इस बेहतरीन ऑन ड्राइव के सहारे उन्होंने अपने करियर का पहला अर्धशतक पूरा किया।
Excellent innings so far, and 52 of just 47 balls.
लेकिन दूसरी छोर पर रॉबिन सिंह इयन हार्वी की गेंद पर बोल्ड हो गए।
He's bowled him. First delivery of a new spell, and Ian Harvey is struck here. Just got the feeling Robin Singh got some bat on that, and the ball has crashed into the stumps. So wicket falling here at an important time for the Australians.
This is an innocuous little loosener, and he just gates himself. He's got a great big gate with the bat, inside edge. There's nothing, the ball hasn't done anything. That's a mistake by the batsman.
He's got that fine, that'll be 4. We'll have to wait for the umpire signal, leg bye signal here.
पर युवराज अब भी डटे हुए थे।
Gillespie's got the right idea to try around the wicket, because over the wicket this young man has played some lovely shots.
That's edged and taken this time. That ball was flying. Mark Waugh made no mistake.
दूसरे छोर पर विकेट गिरना सिलसिले में बदल रहा था। विजय दहिया ब्रेटली की रफ्तार और उछाल से मात खाते हुए मार्क वॉ को आसान सा कैच थमा बैठे।
Sometimes you don't see people this pace, and it becomes much more difficult.
Lovely timer of the ball.
पर युवराज का बल्ला अभी भी बोल रहा था। ऑस्ट्रेलिया का हर गेंदबाज उनके बल्ले की मार झेल रहा था। मैदान के हर कोने में गेंद पहुंच रही थी।
Chance at mid-off, McGrath, and it's taken. And that really is silly batting to throw.
पर अगरकर ने एक बार फिर निराश किया। 43वें ओवर में जब वो 7वें बैट्समैन की तरह वापस लौटे तो लगा कि शायद भारत पूरे 50 ओवर भी नहीं खेल पाएगा। इस मौके पर अनुभवी कुंबले युवराज का साथ देने पहुंचे तो भारतीय पारी बिना कोई विकेट गिराए 47वें ओवर में दाखिल हो चुकी थी। पर स्ट्राइक से दूर रहने का असर युवराज की लय पर भी पड़ा। बड़ा स्ट्रोक खेलने के फेर में वो शेन ली को उन्हीं की गेंद पर कैच थमा बैठे।
Yuvraj has fallen just short of his century.
Well, I think he got a little frustrated by not getting too much of the strike in the last few overs. I think he lost his rhythm as well. You could see his...
लेकिन ड्रेसिंग रूम लौटने से पहले वो महज 80 गेंदों में 84 रन अपने नाम के साथ जोड़ चुके थे। भारत 47वें ओवर में 239 तक जा पहुंचा।
Only 2 runs had come off this over. Shane Lee making sure that he hangs on to it. And it's 239 for 8. Yuvraj Singh has played well for his 84.
युवराज की जगह आए जहीर खान ने भी कुछ बेहतर स्ट्रोक खेल भारतीय पारी में अपना अहम योगदान दिया।
Well, that's a handy boundary. India 249 for 8. Chance at mid-on. No, he's got it wide of Brett Lee and away to the boundary. That's a good shot, hitting straight.
That's a very good shot at this stage of the innings. We enter the final over. And like Ian Chappell said, the good thing about that shot was he was always looking to hit straight. There was long on and long off. And he's found the perfect placement.
Goes for the low full toss on this occasion. Kumble coming back for 2. And they'll get another one now. Once again, Ponting has been too accurate for his own good.
Doesn't want to throw it away here. And he's gone for the big one and he's got a 6 here. What an end to the innings.
भारत ने ऑस्ट्रेलिया के सामने जीत के लिए 266 रन का लक्ष्य रखा था, लेकिन धीमी गति से ओवर फेंकने के चलते उसे रन बनाने के लिए 50 की जगह सिर्फ 48 ओवर ही मिले। भारतीय पारी से साफ संकेत मिल रहा था कि अगर सचिन और सौरभ की बल्लेबाजी ने ऑस्ट्रेलियाई गेंदबाजों को लय में आने नहीं दिया तो युवराज ने अपने आक्रामक तेवरों से उन्हें धराशायी कर दिया। एक ऐसा लक्ष्य वर्ल्ड चैंपियन ऑस्ट्रेलिया के सामने था जिस तक पहुंचने के लिए उसे अपने तमाम अनुभव को समेटकर चलना था। लक्ष्य तक पहुंचने के लिए ऑस्ट्रेलिया के कोटे से 2 ओवर कम कर दिए गए थे, लेकिन भारत को एक ऐसी टीम से पार पाना था जिसमें मुकाबले की जरूरतों के मुताबिक खुद को ढालने वाले बल्लेबाजों की कोई कमी नहीं थी। एक नहीं बल्कि कई मैच विनर थे जिसके पास।
Well, that's a lovely shot. But that's the risk that Agarkar's got to take with Adam Gilchrist. Got a chance of bowling him if he can get that, or a delivery like that to swing late.
अपनी पहचान के मुताबिक गिलक्रिस्ट पूरे आक्रामक मूड में थे। उनके स्ट्रोक में ताकत और टाइमिंग के बेहतरीन समावेश को महसूस किया जा सकता था।
Well, that's been beautifully hit by Gilchrist up into the trees. That's a good shot. Not right out of the middle of the bat, but well controlled.
Yes, I thought Adam Gilchrist there was very clever.
That'll be 4. That'll be 4 more. Well, this is what Adam Gilchrist does, and he makes it so much easier for Mark Waugh. Mark Waugh can just play his own game at the other end.
गिलक्रिस्ट के इस आक्रामक बल्लेबाजी का ही असर था कि दूसरे छोर पर मार्क वॉ दबाव से मुक्त थे।
250 in a chase for Australia.
Agarkar bowls. And there he is! Caught at third man, can you beat him? Wide out.
लेकिन आगरकर के इस आउटस्विंगर को पढ़ने में ऑस्ट्रेलिया के दूसरे सबसे अनुभवी बल्लेबाज मार्क वॉ चूक कर गए।
Yes, even if you're looking to give catching practice, you can't be as accurate as this. Outswinger, he's gone after it.
रनों की रफ्तार को बरकरार रखने के इरादे से कैप्टन स्टीव वॉ ने पिंच हिटर इयन हावी को भेजा।
And he's off the mark right away. Just a touch short now. We saw that from Agarkar in the game against Kenya as well. Just a touch short. And a boundary of the first ball.
भारत को बड़ी कामयाबी जहीर ने दिलाई।
Now someone's going to get under this one. Midon is getting under it and he's taken it. Saurav Ganguly under the ball. This is a big one. India needed Adam Gilchrist at this moment because he was in the middle of a really wonderful little innings.
अपनी पेस में बदलाव करते हुए उन्होंने गिलक्रिस्ट को अपना शिकार बना डाला।
Has been dismissed. Gilchrist, we know, can tear any attack apart.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया के लिए ये बड़ा झटका था।
He's found the gap. Good use of his feet there from Michael Bevan. That's raced away to the boundary. The Australian 100 coming up.
पॉन्टिंग और बेवन ने स्कोर 100 के पार पहुंचाया। इसके बाद तेजी से रन बनने लगे।
He's gone over the top here. Once again, the hit is decisive here from Michael Bevan.
Yeah, I never liked Cumberley, Ravi, bowling at left-handers. I think it's more difficult for him.
एक तरफ से बेवन स्पिनर्स की जमकर धुलाई कर रहे थे।
He's found the gap. That'll wait long off. Superb placement from Michael Bevan.
Well, I was saying,
दूसरे छोर से पॉन्टिंग फास्ट बॉलर्स पर प्रहार कर रहे थे।
6, don't worry about it. 6, 6, 6.
That is a massive blow from Ricky Ponting. And the good thing about this shot, he's not tried to hit the ball too hard. It's an effortless blow. Just going through with the shot and hitting the ball a long, long way. And that's smash back. 10 runs of the last 2 deliveries. This was turning out to be an excellent over for the Australians.
बेवन और पॉन्टिंग तकरीबन 6 के रन रेट से खेल रहे थे।
That's 4.
Well, in the last half hour, the run rate is increased. I was saying about half an hour ago that I thought this was a decisive period of the
ऐसा
game.
लग रहा था ऑस्ट्रेलिया को रोकना मुश्किल होगा, पर तेंदुलकर ने एक बार फिर कमाल दिखाया।
That is a sensational catch by Robin Singh. Ricky Ponting had a lot of bat behind that. He's always doing something in the field, is Robin Singh, and that was quite sensational, really. Just what India needed, little pickup.
Well, he suddenly produced a leg spinner, Sachin Tendulkar.
रॉबिन सिंह के इस कैच ने जैसे भारतीय खेमे में नई जान फूंक दी थी।
Firmly, but he hit it in the air. I guess Ponting's robbed many a batsman with his fielding. On this occasion, he'll feel aggrieved.
Oh, I think he's out. That was sensational from Yuvraj Singh. Telling India turn up with these little nuggets. Michael Bevan's walking. It's a long, long time since I've seen a breathtaking run out like that by young Indian cricketer.
बेवन को लौटता देख टीम इंडिया ने राहत की सांस ली। 32वें ओवर में ऑस्ट्रेलिया 163 रन पर 5 विकेट खो चुका था।
42, it's 163 for 5.
India will be hoping for that. He's bowled him here. Robin Singh has got rid of Steve Waugh.
That's Damien Martin actually.
अनुभवी डेमियन मार्टिन के इस विकेट ने तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया को पूरी तरह दबाव में ला खड़ा किया।
Non-strike at 10. Robin Singh, very good line again, just around the off stump, letting the ball do everything. Big gap between bat and bat. The off stump knocked back. Vijay Tahiya.
रॉबिन सिंह की गेंद को अपने विकेटों पर खेल गए मार्टिन। उनके आउट होने के साथ ही ऑस्ट्रेलिया महज 10 रन के बीच अपने 3 अहम बल्लेबाजों को गंवा चुका था। ऑस्ट्रेलिया को कई बार नाजुक मौकों पर किनारे ले जा चुके कैप्टन स्टीव वॉ अब भी विकेट पर थे।
He is very good at that shot, the square cut and the late cut. So if he gets a bit of width, he's going to smash it away for runs. Steve Waugh will.
You can see Tendulkar experimenting. He knows the importance of a wicket at this stage.
साफ था भारत अभी मुकाबले को आसानी से नहीं ले सकता था।
This is a beautiful shot. He's given him just a little bit of room. The earlier shot of the previous ball, he had hit straight to Sachin Tendulkar. This time he gave himself a little bit more room so he could play the shot wide of Tendulkar.
37वें ओवर में ऑस्ट्रेलिया को लगा एक और झटका।
I think he's out. Ganguly scoring a direct hit. Steve Waugh calling Shane Lee for a single after Shane Lee missed that ball, as did Vijay Dahiya. I think he's out.
Australia in deep trouble at this stage. 189 for 7.
ब्रेट ली ने कुछ आक्रामक तेवर अपनाए।
That's a big one. That is a huge one. That really should be 12 is what the Australian supporters would be saying. And they wouldn't be far off, because that is one of the biggest sixes you will ever see. And that's a big one too. So now Brett Lee decided that having played a few dot balls to begin his innings.
ब्रेट ली के सामने अनिल कुंबले भी बेअसर लग रहे थे।
Oh, that's smart cricket. Got it on the full, and where he used power to hit the six, it was just smart cricket. A little bit of precision to get that one away. Oh, he's found the gap as well. Now he's playing like a batsman.
Well, that was, any batsman would have been proud of that, as Ian said. That was a gorgeous back cut. The ball was wide, he waited for it and just cuffed it behind square using the pace of the ball.
ली और वॉ की पार्टनरशिप भारत के लिए खतरा बन रही थी।
Look at the width, he had time to get across and that awful full toss.
कैप्टन गांगुली ने इसे जानते समझते जहीर को आक्रमण पर लगाते हुए एक दांव खेला।
Oh, and he's done the trick. He's got a big wicket for India. So that's been a terrific bowling change for Ganguly.
Well, congratulations there to the bowler for getting the ball right up there, but also a little bit of praise there for the Indian captain.
जहीर पहले गिलक्रिस्ट और अब कैप्टन स्टीव वॉ की शक्ल में नाजुक मौकों पर टीम इंडिया को ब्रेक थ्रू दिला रहे थे। अब 35 गेंदों में 42 रन का फासला था और सिर्फ 2 विकेट बाकी थे।
Chance here at mid-wicket, Ganguly, and he's taken the catch. Gurkha has got the breakthrough, and this Indian side really there in the field in the last hour or so, they have been exceptional.
ब्रेट ली जीत के लिए जरूरी फासले को पाट नहीं सके। गांगुली के हाथे लग के जाने के साथ ही ऑस्ट्रेलिया की उम्मीदें तार-तार हो गई।
226 for 9.
भारत सेमीफाइनल में था, लेकिन भारत के लिए इस जीत के मायने इन आंकड़ों के पार थे। ये जीत के जुनून में एकजुट होकर मैदान पर उतरी टीम की जीत थी। इस जीत में युवराज और जहीर की शक्ल में भारतीय क्रिकेट का नौजवान चेहरा सामने था, जिसने आने वाले दिनों में भारत के लिए जीत की नई सी नई कहानियां लिखी।